are going to delve into instructions on how we can install NVM Node Version Manager on a Windows machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and launch our browser, and inside we're going to type in NVM for Windows. We're going to go ahead and click on the results whereby we have Cory Butler's GitHub repository. If you scroll down, there's a download now button. Go ahead and click on download now. And what we want from here in this page is we want to download the nvm-setup.exe file. So if you click on that, it will then download the file. And this is obviously one I've downloaded earlier. So I'm going to go ahead, once that's downloaded, if you go ahead and right click run as administrator, click yes, and accept the agreement, click next, click through the defaults, and then go ahead and click on install, click finish. Once that's installed, go ahead and start your command prompt. In your command prompt, if you did nvm list, as you can see, we don't currently have any node versions installed on our machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click nvm or type nvm space install, and then we can do space LTS, which is the latest stable version, and then it will go away and grab the latest version, or stable version rather, and it will go ahead and install that on our machine. Once that's been completed, we can then type in nvm space list again, and as you can see, 18.17.1 has been successfully downloaded and loaded onto our machine. The other thing as well, and obviously one of the reasons why we use a Node Version Manager, is because we might need to work with different versions of Node. So I'm going to install also Node version 13.17.0, nvm space install 13.17.0, as this is a specific version I've used in a previous project. So once it's kind of downloaded and installed that on your machine, the next thing we can do is we can list firstly the versions again, and then we can say, okay, we want to use nvm 18 version 18. Now if you had several versions of version 18, then you'd have to be specific, so you'd have to say 18.17.1, but because we only have one version of 18 and one version of 13, we can do nvm use 18 or 13, and it will go ahead and it will realize and recognize that we're trying to use only that specific version. So then if we did nvm list, as you can see, version 18 now has an asterisk against it, which indicates that this is the currently used version. So that's instructions on how you can install NVM on a Windows 11 machine. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.